Take a look at the 2020 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.